Well, speak of the devil, she called me. I only have 2 minutes left on this video, unfortunately. So here's a Lennox Elite. This looks like... No way is this a heat pump. No, it's not a heat pump. It's kind of hot out here right now. 3 ton from 2001. Another day and night. Oh, I already filmed that one. No. Kind of just now got busted, but in a good way. He's actually going to check out my channel. So, don't think I'm going to get to those two. So, this carrier's actually running right here. Pretty good system. 2016 2-ton. It actually kicked on. Last time I was here, it wasn't on. And what I mean by last time, a few minutes ago. So let's take a look at this carrier. Yeah, heat pump. I knew it was a heat pump from the start because it had micro. Didn't have the micro channel. 2.5 ton. 2016. Not gonna get that Goodman, but I think I'm about done here. Sorry for not getting to those other units, but I only have about 4 more minutes left of videos here, so right back in these areas. Here's something running. There's a Bryant right there. Looks like a small Quantum Plus. Something's kicked on. I don't know what this is. AQS. Aero something. Systems. Bryant made unit. 1997 2.5 ton. So yeah, ICP made unit. No way. 80s American Standard. Look at this beast. That's a beastly little unit right there. That's a good unit. It's a Guardian. I have to get the data on this thing. Nice and cold. 2-ton. And it's from 1987, I think. Good old Climate Tough compressor. There's a weird looking one. Never seen this before. This is a train made thing right here. Cumberland. Wow, it's a funny name. 1995. Where's the model number? Looks like a 1.5. Okay, it's in the serial number. 1.5 ton. That's a nice little unit right there. That's a beastly looking unit right there. Got a suction line dryer. 2009. 2-ton. That's a nice little unit right here. Oh, and by the way, I don't know what date it's from. I'm just gonna guess 1984. Lines are shaking. 2-ton. 2011. That's a nice unit. I love that thing. ICP again. No joke, I thought this was a train for a second. Like a big old train. TRAIN. There's a Nord thing. That's a big unit. 2.5 ton. From 2.5 ton. One. Am I stupid or something? 2014. That was a mouthful. What is this thing, honestly? Copeland Scroll Compliant. Copeland Scroll compressor, it looks. I mean, it says Copeland Scroll on it. Oh, it's a Mana. I like using Manas. Super high efficiency air conditioner. That's another beast right there. I'll get a picture of that American Standard. Definitely. Where's the data? Oh, it's down here. 1990, 2-ton. This thing's from 1990 and it has a Copeland Scroll compressor. Day and night heat pump. Oh, no, it's Kenmore. It's pretty cool. I'm stupid. 2019. 2-ton. Big 2-ton. Guess it means it's more efficient. Sorry if the camera is out of focus. I don't know where I am right now, to be honest. I'm just gonna retrace my steps. Let's get that off this Bryant. 2009. I already got that off that, but I'm gonna snap a good photo of this thing right here.